The bamboo forest trembles as the Shadow Master launches his assault. Traps are sprung, rivers overflow, and bridges collapse, throwing the animals into chaos. Sway, they and Lathe leap into action, rallying their friends to restore order. But as they work, the Shadow Master reappears, his dark figure commanding attention. He offers Sway. They a grim choice: save the forest or face him in combat. Sway's heart aches with the weight of responsibility, but he knows what must be done. As he steps forward to meet the Shadow Master, the forest holds its breath. The episode ends with the Shadow Master's ominous laughter echoing through the trees. Leadership means making sacrifices for the greater good.